A century ago, space was merely a figment of our imagination. In the past century, we've gone from the first human flight of only 300 feet to walking on the moon, leaving us with our eyes set on the new horizon. With this surge of space exploration has come the lingering question, are we alone? The focus of space exploration has always been the possibility of alien life. This focus has always fixated on one simple concept: water. An excerpt from NASA's Space Facts explains, from ancient times, explorers have followed the water. Water's unique chemical and physical properties are essential to human survival. Without water, basic physical processes would be impossible. Cells within the human body would die. None of the essential physical functions, such as breathing, digestion, or muscle movement, could take place without water. With this understanding of water in mind, researchers seek to find water on other planets, believing that this would lead to finding life. In 1952, the Miller-Urey experiment confirmed the origins of life by mimicking an early Earth water-saturated environment, showing that life-sustaining organics can be spontaneously formed from inorganic compounds. Researchers at NASA are currently focused on exploration missions to Mars. For almost 2 decades, we have known that subterranean ice exists on Mars. However, it was not until recently that real progress has been made towards the possibility of extraterrestrial life.
In 2011, researchers monitoring the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, a satellite which orbits Mars and takes pictures, identified striations on the surface of Mars, which researchers theorized most likely came from flowing water. The discovery implies that if there is flowing water on Mars, unlike the frozen water, then the potential for life on Mars is much higher than previously thought. In September of that year, researchers from Georgia Tech's School of Earth and Atmospheric Science published a paper in the Natural Geoscience Journal. The paper, titled Spectral Evidence for Hydrated Salts in Recurring Slope Lineae on Mars, presents undeniable proof of hydrated salt molecules existing at 4 of these streak locations. A hydrated salt is a crystalline salt molecule that is loosely attached to a certain number of water molecules. Although definite proof of alien life has yet to be found, finding liquid water is the vital step towards this goal. NASA hopes to return to Mars by 2020 and further explore Mars and answer the age-old question, are we alone?